A new version of the Bible was unveiled today, a Jamaican version. The King James Bible has been translated into Jamaican patois. The Bible Society of the West Indies believes it'll make the Bible more relevant to the people around the world.
I'm back again, guys. I don't know. When I see the face, hear the voice. You know the Irons Boss. Fresh and cool. All the more shame to be still, but you know it go. Yeah. So guess what I want now? Right now I'm there again. If you are a subscriber, yeah man. You just inform me again about what really are going on. You don't know how to keep up people what are going in and around the world. What's going on now? It has known to my knowledge that there is now a new version of the King James Bible. Jaja. What's going on now? The new version is basically a rewrite version in patois. So it's not like some new scripture or whatever forward or doesn't mean. Them now write the King James in patois. You know what I mean? Because as you can see, the clip I'm play before the video starts. Right there and then, yeah, as you can see that. You know what I mean? So they have a new version now which has been written by Reverend Courtney Stewart, yeah, from the Bible Society of the West Indies, yeah. So right here and then now are the Jamaican version, because basically what they must know, we talk patois, so we're supposed to be able to can get our thing across in the same tongues of word or whatever. At the same time, remember, you know, they never teach you patois in a school, you know. And just we grow up talking patois. So it's good and it's bad. I'm not going to say it bad alone. Good and it's bad, because guess what I know? Not everyone who talk patois even spell the patois word them the same way. We are taught the same way. Alright, like some people that say what? Some man spell it W-H-A. Some man spell it W-A-A-A. You know what I mean? So it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. Focus on the good side, right? Still, it's a good thing that at least somebody can at least recognize us and speak patois. So why not having them things in a patois also, so we can understand. And we're going to play in our clip and make you watch it, and we're going to get why me I say it's good and why it's bad. Because guess what now? When the English part read, some people don't get the full knowledge of what it really says. But when it's written in patois and you talk it in patois, you more understand the concept right out, because it has talked in a language that you easily understand. You know what I mean? So we're going to just play that clip there and make it listen it, pray it for yourself, and jump back to one thing. Yeah.
This is the latest translation of the New Testament. It's the Jamaican New Testament.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
We Father way in heaven. Make people have enough respect for you and your name.
On each page, the King James Version, and opposite, the Jamaican patois.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors.
Today, give we the food where we need. Pardon we for all the wrong where we do. Same like how we pardon them we do we wrong.
It's been a 20-year project by Reverend Courtney Stewart of the Bible Society of the West Indies to have it translated. He's in Birmingham this weekend, speaking to the city's large West Indian population.
It's critical that we translate the Bible into our native language, Jamaican patois, Jamaican Creole, because the scriptures make their greatest impact on people when they have it in their mother tongue.
Sometimes what I have to do is look at the English and then look at the written pattern, and then I go, oh, that's how you pronounce it.
It's not the easiest thing in the world to read, and there's a good reason for that. You see, it's an oral language and has been. So for the vast majority of us, it would be quite difficult for us to read because we have never been taught how to read it. So what this translation is going to do is help us to learn to read our own mother tongue.
Later this year, there'll be an app so people can hear and read the patois.
Yeah, so as you can see, in the clip I just play a while ago now, you get the full knowledge of me as now. You hear how the lady read for her part in a English, and when the man read the patois, eventually, and he me say never understand what the lady say in the first half. Well, we understand still about no people don't understand because you don't understand the English in terms of would really say the big word or whatever, but the concept to me it good and it bad. So I don't take nothing from them. It good. Yeah. So but you know I'm thinking talking about this and the whole English and patois situation now. Me think right now Parliament, yeah man. The member of Parliament, the Prime Minister and all of them. I think them need to start talk patois in a Parliament too. Because so-called, I would say patois is our Jamaican language. Yes. But yet still them don't emphasize on it. They make it seem like say English is the thing, but English is the thing, yes. But I think majority of who vote them not understand what they say in a parliament. Even though we come to our Bible, I just intervene a little bit on this. Because this does enlighten heavens now to talk about this. Watch her go on. In a parliament, if you go up on the street right now, most of who vote, them don't understand the word them what them use in a parliament. Them only understand food and refreshment will be at parliament headquarters. Yes. When the budget are read, them don't understand them word where them are use. A simple word as expenditure. Them don't understand the word there. Tell the people them say the expense them wanna spend. The money wanna spend, yes, but now it's the expenditure and them already. And everybody understand that. So come talk about the politics part now. I kinda like the concept of the patois in the Bible at the same time. And everybody can read patois because it never teach to us. And just we grow up and I spell it how we feel like. You know what I mean? Just like if you make me a text right now. Talk your text. Me and the lady a text. And me say what? And she say what? What back to me? In a fear message. And I can guarantee the most time it's really different. So it's a good concept and it's a bad concept. Focus on the good side more. Yeah. It's a good thing. I think people will more understand. If they can manage to read it, they will understand it better. The point I really want to get here. The point I really want to get is if they can manage to read it, they will understand the concept of what it's actually saying better. Yeah. That because just look funny. You have someone have a conversation right now and they talk the English there. They might use them big words for you to understand. Which them only show off them knowledge that them have on you. Which them got easy way talking a patois with the little word them understand. But even doing it in English, you know, they must say the same thing, you know, but you don't understand because they might use some big words. You know what I mean? They might tell you say, yo, you will get the gavel. Gavel. Some people at first may say, no, gavel, you know, which gavel means the full understanding. You see me I say? So instead of saying, yeah, I get the gavel of what you're saying or whatever. If you say, you want me get the understanding of what you say, then get the point of what I say. So that's why I say to you right now, give yourself care about. The new version is a good idea, it's a bad idea, but you want to do. Just teach them how to read it. Maybe put it in school too. Part in a school. Because it's sad to say in a Jamaica, they talk patois, and a Jamaican will play the chat band. Which outside Jamaica, people want to talk patois. People want to hear you talk. Brother, I left Jamaica already. I got a different country. I'm here talk and people stop and listen to me. Not because of what I say, input into them, but my voice and how me sound. The pattern how me talk, because I talk to my Jamaican friend them. And we can't figure out one lady about the first time somebody actually stop and listen to me. And after talk to them, I say, yo, let's continue to talk. I have some American friends here me way. They want me to start Jamaican for them. So it's a good thing. It's a good look. Yeah, so the 20-year project by Court and Stewart. It's a good look. You know what I mean? At least something. It's a good look, so as me said, it's bad and good, but focus on the good side more. We know say just like how not everybody can read English, but the same procedure. Not everybody can read patois. But we can bet if I'm mad. Maybe even like me say me take the same Bible and read it. You might get through it faster than the original style. It's a possibility. You might get through faster without a doubt. So look. And people are requested too. That's the main thing. So in the Bible actually is that, as them say, on this side they have the English and on this side they got the patois. So it's like the same thing but in two different languages. Right here and then. So leave a subscriber. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the new version there. Good or bad. What do you think? At the Irons Boss. At the Irons TV. I'm out.